Meaning of gardens and yards.
Gardens and yards.
Gardens and yards.
Gardens and yards.
Gardens and yards. Gardens and yards are outdoor spaces that are specifically designed and cultivated to enhance the aesthetic appeal of a property. Gardens are typically filled with various types of flowers, plants, and trees arranged in an attractive manner to create a beautiful visual display. Yards, on the other hand, generally refer to open spaces surrounding a house or building that may include grassy areas, walkways, patios, ponds, and other landscaping features. Both gardens and yards serve as tranquil retreats where individuals can relax and enjoy nature, adding value to a property and improving the quality of life for its inhabitants.